Okay, Mama, open it. It's good morning time. Oy, pwede pala tayong mag-breakfast dyan sa baba, oh. Pero ayaw mo mag-breakfast dyan, di ba? Ayaw mo na maraming tao. Gusto mo sa ano? Sa executive lounge. Wow. This is the pavilion run by Banyan Tree. Ayan, oh. Breakfast time. Outdoors. Pwedeng indoors, pwedeng outdoors. Oh, may fountain pa, oh. May electric fan pa sila. Oh. Good ambience. Ito, isang buong family in one table. Okay, that's our bed. And that's Berna, still working. Let's go, Berna. Anong oo? Let's go na. Yan, yung coffee ko, hindi ko pala naubos. Well, it's a small room, pero okay rin. Ayos rin naman. Tagal mo. Let's go. Ay, sabay tayo. Bakit ako mauna?
Kasi baka matagal ka pa.
Hindi. Ikaw ang inaantay ko eh. Oh, ikaw yung matagal eh. Buti na lang, hindi ka nagme-makeup. Kundi, lalong mas matagal. So we're going to breakfast. After breakfast, we hotel hop again to, saan tayo? Pullman, di ba? Marna, Pullman. Okay, so we're at the 13A already. Oh, you're getting lost again, Mama Berna. Lagi ka lang nawawala. Ay, nako. Ano na yan? Old age na niya. Club Lounge. Oh, nice. Uy, backlighted ah. Oh, yun. Inayos ko. Late na kami dumating eh. But still, you know, we can still have breakfast because it's up to 10:30. Ano, order ba tayo ng hot foods? O, hindi. Yung menu, titignan ko. Okay. Ito. So, this is the menu.
Eggs Benedict and
okay. Alright, so aside from Eggs Benedict, they have
pavilion waffle. Yeah.
You know what? I think I'm gonna get the same. So I don't have to think anymore.
Yung congee, ayaw mo?
Congee? Pwede, sige. O sige.
Yeah, he'll have just the congee. We'll just share on the Egg Benedict.
Okay.
Fresh orange juice.
Fresh orange juice. Okay.
Yeah,
alright.
Fresh orange juice. And 2 glasses of water.
Ayan, sino tumatawag sa'yo? Si Ma'am, ano yan? Si Mami Cora ang pustahan tayo. Kundi yan si Mami Cora, si ano yan? Sino yan?
Alarm.
Ay, your alarm. Okay, so aside from the hot breakfast, we can also get food from the buffet. Yes. Lots of food here. Ito, pastries. Kukuha ka rin ng ano? Siguro, may salad rito, no? I'm sure may salad. Ayan, daming cheese. Oh, smoked chicken. Oh, okay, smoked salmon. Oh, yan ang gagawin ko. Salad. Bert, anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito? Alam mo kung anong tawag dyan? Ha? Meron akong gustong kainin eh. Ewan ko kung meron sila. Tanong natin. Sunflower seeds daw yan? Yan, ang gusto ko. Salad. Oh, yeah. Don't worry. Meron pa tayong 10 minutes. Eksakto lang to. Oh. Ganda ng ambience talaga ng niya. Maliit lang yung kwarto natin. Pero, at least, maganda naman yung lounge. Okay, let me share with you my salad. Okay. You know, because of my problem with crumbs, I had to research that I need a lot of magnesium. Ayan, cashew nut. Okay daw yan. Kasi marami magnesium yan. Together with that one, that's salmon. But the best part, yan pala. Oh? Yan, let me point. Yan. Yung kulay green yan. That's what you call the pumpkin seeds. Yes, from the squash. You have to dry it. I researched it. And it's really has a lot of magnesium. So leafy vegetables na maraming magnesium together with Salmon. So if I'm not careful, with my age, I'll be in trouble. Yes, this is going to be healthy. Plus, I have some on the side, some kamatis, small kamatis, which is also very good. So, Mama, you're trying to be healthy also. Ano ka rin, salad, tapos water. Ayaw kasi ni Berna na kumukuha ng may sugar, kanya order niya. Nothing without sugar. All right. Tapos yung ating fruits nasa kabilang table. Tinigyan niya sa kabilang table kasi baka magligpit na nga sila di ba? But we still have Eggs Benedict coming, di ba, Berna? Tama?
Yeah.
What else do we have? Eggs Benedict and congee. Yes. Ingat lang sa pagkain when you're on a travel because it can destroy your health. All right, so let's eat and be healthy. Wow, more food coming.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. Orange juice. Very healthy breakfast. Yan. Uy, sarap yan, Eggs Benedict with mushroom. Ano kayo nasa ilalim? Ham ba yan, Berna? Tingnan mo nga. Ham lang? Yung isang beses, kumain tayo ng Eggs Benedict. It was filet mignon sa ilalim niya. Okay na ako dito sa salad ko. In fact, congee. Alright. Ayun, tabi muna natin yung congee. Katabi ni, on another table. Unahin ko yan, kasi lalamig na, Okay. Kasi Mama Berna, unahin ko muna itong congee. Baka lumamig. Uy, meron pa pala siyang, meron siyang eggs, yung aking congee. Alright. Okay, lagyan ko ng peanuts. Kasi itong peanuts na to, pag hinalo mo sa congee, marami daw, maraming magnesium din yung peanuts na yan. Good for the health. Okay, health-wise, you need to eat a lot of magnesium, Mama Berna. Kinukuha mo na yung Eggs Benedict. Tigis na tayo. Tingnan mo yan sa ilalim. Buksan mo yung ilalim yan. Yung ilalim yan. Tinapay lang. Okay, tinapay lang pala yun. So this is the Pavilion Hotel which we are staying at, and it's being run by the Banyan Tree. Nice swimming pool. It's got a very nice gym, and the beds are really king size. And it's good enough, but I wouldn't say it's excellent. But for me, it's okay. And we really enjoyed staying here because it's right beside the mall of the Pavilion. We have enjoyed our stay here in the Pavilion Hotel, and today we're transferring to another Accor hotel which is called the Pullman. Thank you for watching.